what's up and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. Today's video is all gonna be about prepping and pampering our skin and hair for the upcoming Diwali season. I'm also gonna be sharing a DIY recipe to get rid of the product buildup on your scalp, and I'm gonna do my facial at home at a very affordable price. So if you want to know how I do this, then make sure you watch this video till the end. And yeah, let's get started with the video. Hey everybody, so let's start with the hair first. My hair has been itching and flaking a lot lately because of all the product buildup, and I've been traveling as well. So I'm gonna make a DIY scrub for my scalp to get rid of all the product buildup, flakes, dust, pollution, and just give it a restart. For that, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons sugar. You can use brown sugar. I don't have it, so I'm gonna use white sugar. 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 tablespoon almond oil. Now you can use any oil, castor oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, it's your choice. And you can add peppermint essential oil as well. I don't have it, so I've skipped it. And mix everything well together. I have my scrub right over here. Now let's section the hair. I'm gonna make 4 sections, so 2 sections in the bottom and 2 at the top. And we'll work 1 section at a time. First, let's work on this one. I just dipped a little bit and I'm gonna apply it directly on my roots. Oh, it's nice and cold. And give it a circular motion like this and massage it in nicely. It feels so good. This will get rid of all the buildup, all the gunk on your scalp. I like to focus this scrub mainly near the roots area because that's exactly where the gunk and all of that flakes are, right? The sugar particles in this scrub is gonna help us exfoliate our scalp very gently. It's not rough at all. It's very gentle on your scalp. By the way, how was your weekend? I had a blast weekend. I traveled after so many months. Finally in 2020, I traveled a little bit and I rode my bike for so freaking long in that scorching sun. I'm tanned. Like my face, my hand, जो ये एरिया है जहाँ पर मैंने wrist watch पहना है, इस part को छोड़ के everything is tanned. It's like white stripe right in middle of my hand. But what a weekend. I really enjoyed it, and because of that ride as well, my hair has also become all gunky. It was very bad, especially over here. No matter how well you protect your hair in those highways, बहुत ज़्यादा dirt and gunk रहता है. I have put a scarf and helmet, फिर भी मेरे बाल खराब हो गए थे. A lot of people add salt as well as an exfoliating agent, but I feel that is not really good for your scalp. So you can skip that. Add sugar. Sugar is really mild and gentle on your scalp. Now that we have taken care of our hair, let's move on to the face now. My skin is feeling very congested and clogged. I have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads right over here near the nose. I can just feel it when I touch it. It's feeling super bumpy and I have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads over here as well, near the forehead area, especially right over here, near the chin area. My skin is feeling super dry and dull because of all the travel. I have tanned as well. पूरा skin का color ही change हो गया है. My body, everything is tanned. Going to the parlor to get a facial done is A, expensive, and B, a little risky considering the pandemic time. So I'm gonna do my facial at home using Pond's Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit. Now they have 2 range in this. One is the Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit and the other one is the charcoal variant. This kit has 6 products in it, and I love that they come in tubes. Hygiene maintained रहता है and you don't have to dip your fingers in it to get the product. So easy to reuse and hassle free. And this kit retails only for 300 rupees. पार्लर में at least 500 या 1000 का फटका आराम से लग जाता है for 1 facial. And with this, I think you can get 3 facials done. So 100 rupees per facial. So inexpensive and affordable. And look at the packaging. It's so travel friendly. अगर आपको किसी की destination wedding attend करनी है या फिर कोई event attend करना है, you can easily carry this in your luggage. So let's see if I can get parlor-like facial done using this kit. So the first step is a cleanser to make sure कि आपके skin पे कोई dirt या leftover makeup, impurities, skin care कुछ भी ना रहे. We need a fresh and clean face to begin with. इतना product लिया है मैंने and massage it in nicely in circular motions for good 2 to 3 minutes. हर एक प्रोडक्ट को यूज करने के इंस्ट्रक्शंस आपको किट पे एंड हर एक प्रोडक्ट पे मिल जाएंगे, एंड हर प्रोडक्ट पे नंबर भी लिखा हुआ है. so you don't have to remember anything. This cleanser has vitamin E in it that gently cleanses and removes surface impurities. It has a very creamy texture. It's not like your commercial जो मिलता है face wash. It's not like that. It's very creamy. As you can see, I've been massaging it for a good 2 to 3 minutes now और पूरा अच्छे से soak कर रहा है. 2 से 3 मिनट हो चुके हैं. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. Okay, I am back. I've washed the cleanser off and my skin is feeling super soft. I did not expect it. I thought it will be very stripping and very drying, but it's a very moisturizing cleanser and it removed all of that excess oil and all of that dirt. But still my skin does not feel super tight and वो जैसा feeling आता ना बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है. It's very moisturizing. I like it. Now let's move on to the next step, which is a scrub. For this, your face still needs to be wet. So please wipe off मत कर देना. मैंने गलती से wipe off कर दिया था, but I have re-wet my face a little bit and I am going to take this much of the product and work my way in. And this one has walnut shell powder in it. It's super fine. I don't like harsh जो particles होते हैं वैसे scrub मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आते. This one has a very fine blend of that powder, so it's not really harsh on your skin. And I'm gonna massage it in nicely for a good 2 to 3 minutes, especially concentrating over here. I have super congested pores right over here. Again, don't be super harsh. Be very gentle and light-handed. If it's feeling a little dry, you can go ahead and add in some more water. I think 2 से 3 minute हो गए. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. So I've washed the scrub out and this is how my skin looks. It's definitely looking a little glowy right over here near the T-zone area because I've massaged it really well over here. And to the touch, the nose area does not feel bumpy at all. It's feeling really smooth and soft right over here. I can't stop touching it. And over here as well, it's not feeling super like bumpy and grimy at all, and the whole face is feeling soft to touch and glowy. Let's move on to the next step. So the next step is a nourishing cream. I'm gonna take this much amount and massage it in nicely till it gets absorbed. So this is like a nourishing cream to prep your skin and apply hydration back to your skin and prep it for the next step. This has vitamin E and B3 to hydrate your skin. After exfoliation, your skin needs moisturizing ingredients to calm your skin down and prep it for the next step. It just feels like a bomb of hydration on your face. Always massage outwards and up. Never drag your skin down like this. You want it up, nice and tight, right? So always massage upwards and outwards like this. You're not supposed to wipe or wash off the nourishing cream. Let it absorb and let it be. This is like a preparation for the next step, which is a massage cream. With this, you have to massage it for a good 10 to 15 minutes. So let's start doing that. I'm gonna take this much of the product. You can add in if you want more, but let's start with this much first. As I mentioned earlier, always go in the upward direction and outwards. You want this area to be like this, plump. So always massage this way. I have massaged it for a good 10 to 15 minutes now, and this step you definitely need to wash it off. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I've washed the massaging cream off and this is how my skin looks. It's definitely glowy. Like, can you see this? And it feels so clear and soft and moisturized to touch. I don't know if the camera is able to capture it, but in person if you see me, it's definitely glowy. And you're not supposed to put face wash, okay? Just wash it off with water, that's it. And yeah. The next step is a face mask. Let's apply it. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna apply a thin layer all over my face. Obviously, avoid the eye area. This face mask has clay, glycerin, vitamin E and B3 in it to remove excess oil and tighten your skin. Face mask that has clay in it is really good for people who have oily, acne-prone skin. It really cleanses your skin out. Glycerin is again really good for the moisture property. Vitamin E and B3 has so many good benefits to your skin as well. I'm gonna let this sit for till it gets dry. I think 10 to 15 minutes में dry हो जाएगा and I'm gonna be back. It's been 10 to 15 minutes now and it's fully dry. I'm gonna wash it off. So I've washed off the face mask and this is how my skin is looking. It's looking super clean and fresh, especially over here. All the pores and everything is feeling super clean and unclogged. I've just washed my face. Nothing is on my face. This is my bare face, okay? Let's move on to the last step, which is a finishing cream. This is kind of like a moisturizer, I feel. So you just have to take this much. This is how it looks like. And apply it on your face. And again, this is supposed to massage it in and let it sink in your skin. It's not super tacky, which I thought it will be, but it absorbed really well and it's not feeling sticky or tacky at all. It's really matte, to be honest. And yeah, that's it. With that, we have completed our facial. The tan has definitely reduced. I can feel it. Like, do you see the difference? The tan is definitely reduced. This is not a lightening product. I was tanned, that is the reason there's a difference in the skin color. But the tan is definitely reduced and overall I feel my skin is feeling super clean, fresh, not oily at all. The tan is gone down a lot. My skin is feeling open, unclogged, clean and glowy. I really like the result. Let me know in the comments down below what do you feel about it. And let's move on to the next part, which is our body. Of course, we can't let go of that, right? Moving on to the body now. For that, I'm gonna use scrubbing mittens that I got from H&M बहुत पहले. Make sure that the exfoliating gloves are wet before you use it. Use any body wash that you're using on the mittens and scrub away the dead cells on your body. If you don't have the mittens, you can also use the same scrub that I made for my scalp on your body as well. This will also get rid of the strawberry skin that a lot of people suffer because of shaving. And this is how my skin looks after exfoliation. It's so soft to touch and trust me, you're gonna love it. I'm also gonna wash my hair in the shower using just shampoo and conditioner and no products at all. I have a whole detailed video about this, so I'll link it for you guys. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I really like the results that I got from the Pond's Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit. It's super affordable, easily available and definitely worth a try. I will link it in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out. Don't forget to like, share, comment, do all that good stuff. And the comment shout out goes to Shravanti Sridhar. Shravanti, thank you for your comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery, and I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.